Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. All right, perfect. Perfect. All right. We back. What's up, everybody? What's going on? So, since it is already 9:28, we're getting straight into it. Happy New Year, everybody. It is definitely it's already been what 11 days? 11 days, man, since the new year. So I hope you guys are catching pips, sticking to your goals. Um, I know it's not a new you, but it's a new year. However, this is a year to, put your perspectives in motion and not just feel like, oh yeah, this is all hype. And, we can't build these goals off hype. We have to really be intentional. All right. So blessings. What's going on? Junior trades, Alex. Yes, sir. We got King and Blessed FX, Chosen FX. It's good to have you guys. So currently I am looking at gold for buys. The way price moved, I can tell like we've made it into some type of demand, and this demand is none other than yesterday's lows. Now, for core CPI, we did see price whipsaw to the upside and swept London session, and we made it into this area of demand here. So my take is price is gonna be bullish. I'm not going to be holding too much. I'm not holding much positions. I didn't even check to see what the results were, to be honest. Let me check and see what that is. All right, so core CPI numbers came out. They was anticipating 0.3%. That's exactly what came out. The month to month from zero point 0.2 came out to zero point 0.3, just slightly above. And the year to year is slightly above as well. So 3.2 was forecasted, 3.4 is what the outcome is. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This upside potential is all I need for the day. I'm not even gonna try and force too much. Yeah, there are like different setups going on. Like as we can see, GJ whew, just swept the previous London session. That was such a nice setup. Look at that. Oh man. Oh damn. 72. Sheesh. 74 pips in just a, a span of like what? What was that? Yeah, in about 35 minutes. That's crazy. USDJPY, I'm sure did the same thing. Yep, swept and bought. So let's go back to gold since this is what we're paying attention to right now. See what how that's looking like. Okay. Um. All right. So as I said, I'm currently in gold buys. And let's see. It is 9:31 and price is picking up steam for sure. And yeah, let's see what happens. The fact that we swept the highs and maintained the lows here, I think we're gonna definitely have a nice 70, 80 pip buy, the least, the least. So let's see what happens. We'll see what happens. Let's see what happens. What pairs are you guys trading today? I know some of y'all probably taking a look at US 30 and Nas. Yeah, price pretty much dipped a little bit, but it seems like they maintain in bullish structure. Very interesting times. Okay. I will say, seems like something about my browser is slowing down a little bit. But let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. All right. Let's pay attention to this price action from gold here. I don't want no bullshit. All right, let's see what happens. Looks like we had a slight retracement. We on a 3-minute time frame. Let's see. All right, so to me, it seems like price is picking up that momentum that I wanted to see from gold. All right, so everybody who's tuning in right now, welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy New Year. And we are currently taking a look at gold buys. And I'm looking for my stop loss to be right below 2025. So let's see what happens. Let's see how price is picking up the volume. It is 9:34 and the volume seems to be picking up gradually. There we go. There we go. Okay, okay, okay. That's the type of price pickup I was looking for. Oh yeah. Things is definitely looking a lot better than before. Okay, so what is my target? What is my target? Well, first and foremost, uh this first push here at 935 is lovely. Not even gonna lie. So currently I am floating 56 pips. That's really good. That's really awesome. That's really awesome. But we're not gonna get too caught up. I also need to check in on my indicator. I'm taking some big boy trades here, so I gotta be careful. We all know how gold gets. You don't wanna get excited about gold. You just gotta stay focused, do what you gotta do. We all know what today is. Today's core CPI. So, all right. Okay. We're just gonna keep things steady from where they are. We got a slight retracement, obviously. Okay, moving on to the higher time frames, from the 5 to the 15th, just to see how structure is being built. Seems like we're still pushing momentum, which is good. It is 937. All right. So ideally, what I would like to see is I would like to see gold continue to the upside. So from what I'm seeing currently, I could see the potential for price to move to like 2041. Uh, of course, like looking at this potential, I can see gold having the possibility of touching 2048, and currently we have the high of the week from January 5th here at 2059. Now, will one candle just burst all the way up to 2059? I don't think so. You know, they usually like to take their time to set the floor. So I'm just pretty much relying on price action to give me a steady a steady foundation here. All right, meaning like I want to see price hold. I want to see price hold and see if they can push a little bit higher, at least closer to this wick here that they pretty much swiped everybody. If you tried getting in at the breakout at 8:30, okay. So, yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. See what happens. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. All right, let me check the chat real quick. Yo, Hans, been a minute. It's good to see you, man. It's good to see you too, Vita. Who else? Gold setups looking lovely. Check out EU. Yeah, EU is probably doing the same exact thing. Let me check. And GU probably doing the same exact thing. Yep. So let's see. Right about now, when you see candles look like that, it seems like they might just retrace to buy higher or something. So let me see what gold is doing. Someone said, should we buy now? Yeah, you should have been in buys by now. If you are looking to take the trade, just remember, trade responsibly, guys. I don't want to be sitting here hearing, oh, yeah, Hans blew my account. No, I didn't. Make sure you are risking accordingly. Like when you see where the stop loss is for me around 2027, where price is at, you know that's around 50 something pips. Some of you guys, that's not your preference. Me, I'm just going off of volume right now. So, just be mindful. Like if that's not your 1% trade, don't take that trade as 1%. Like for instance, as you guys can see, there is like volume retracement going on. But as for me, like I still want to see what happens um, in the next 20 to 30 minutes and stuff like that. Okay. I see prices pulling back, and now it is headed towards my stop loss. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Is there another 1 minute candle here? I don't need this. I don't need this type of mess. All right, really hoping this candle has a lot of bullish volume because I am like 1 pip away from, well, 10 pips away from my stop loss getting hit. Obviously, we saw the momentum in the beginning, and just about what 4 minutes, price pulled back. So if it's still maintained in this area, great. If not, then that's not going to be a good look for my trades, obviously. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay, we got the 943s, 944s. Price is refusing to find bullish strength. Okay. I can't tell what's going to happen from here, but I will say the momentum seems a little bit lost right now. But hopefully this is a 1 minute order block that's maintained. We're talking about right here. If we hold right here, then that'll be great for me. All right, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put my stop loss at 27 real quick, just in case. I think that's where I'm most comfortable with anything going against me. You go from 4K to negative 2K real quick with this thing called gold. Yeah, so let's see if price is maintaining, man, because I don't see why it wouldn't. I don't see why it wouldn't, but I'm not the one making those prices, am I? Okay. So it seems right now that this this price is currently being held. Still no guarantees. Still no guarantees. All right, I'm closing my positions. I ain't got time for this. All right. Okay, so there's no volume just yet. Excuse me. But I'm pretty sure we just got swept just so they can buy. But all right, let's see what the other pairs are up to. Oh man, let me see something. All right, let's see if my laptop could pick up speed real quick, cause seems like I was it was getting laggy. Don't you guys just love it when price loses volume? Amazing, so exciting, so cool, so cool. Guys, I want you in 2024 to read and look information up. All right. So let me show you how I do that. So I go to fortunesfunding.com, right? And then watch my fingers. I scroll just like that, right? And then watch this. Boom. Everything that you guys need right here. Okay? So make sure you look up the information that you need to know before you start to trade. All right? Because look, didn't even take that long, right? Does Fortunes Funding allow news trading? Does everybody see it? Do you guys see it? All right. So, but what do you see here? On your demo funded stage, you must close your positions before high impact news. So, for news trading on your evaluation stage, yes, news trading is allowed. But when you're funded, you got to close before impact news. All right, guys? So, make sure to know these informations because you don't want to get caught up in the sticky. All right? Good question. Good question. All right. 955. Low Smurf, what's up? What's up? Okay. Abracadabra. Volume just kicked in. All right. Volume kicked in, but I'm not in the trade. I honestly don't like back and forths. Like if it couldn't happen, and now it's happening. If I risked what I risked and then it didn't fulfill the fact that I know I'm already annoyed, I'm not about to trade. You know, I don't like that type of stuff. All right. All right. That's it for me. Price is gonna have to prove it to me that it does have momentum. I'm not about to sit here and guess indecisive price action. What Price is gonna have to prove to me is show me that it has the capability of breaking and retesting, then I'll consider taking the trade. If not, I'm not about to do multiple attempts. Okay? So, uh, yeah, more than likely, I would give this market about an hour. If there's no setups, then that'll be it for me for the day. There's just not much healthy volume that I want to see. And one thing I hate doing is second guessing, not feeling easy and just all this bullshit. I'd rather be like, all right, guys, so you don't know what you want to do. Don't worry about it. I'll check back in when you got your mind figured out. So that's how I move in real life, and that's how I move when I'm trading. Like if the market can't make up its mind, then okay, I'll make up my decision for it. You know, I'm not about to sit here and do the back and forth. That's not me. All right, so uh, not quite what we was looking forward to, but it is what it is. This is the reality of trading. You guys know that. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, love, and blessings. And check in back maybe in an hour if price decides to want to do what it needs to do. All right, guys. So uh, we will start with the giveaways next week. We will see. We will see how things play out. Obviously, Fortunes Funding is going through some transitions to purple trading. It's a lot. It's a lot of things going on. We definitely want to kick back up, but yeah, we will start giving away accounts and stuff like that next week. Okay, guys. So, thank you for tuning in. I'll see y'all next time. Peace, love, and blessings.